The word place, to refer to a specific location or area. When place of work, place of residence, public place. She moved to a new place of work in the city. His place of residence is a small cottage by the lake. Please do not smoke in any public place. To indicate position or rank, and first place, second place, top place. He finished in first place in the race. Then she came in second place during the competition. The team secured the top place in the league standings. To put something in a specific location and place on the shelf, place in the drawer, place under the table. He decided to place the book on the shelf next to the others. Place the keys in the drawer when you're done. She placed the bag under the table during the meeting. To assign or position someone or something. Place an order, place a bet, place a call. I will place an order for dinner. He decided to place a bet on the horse race. And I'll place a call to confirm the appointment, to refer to an important or notable setting, when in special place, sacred place, favorite place. The concert was held in a special place with a beautiful view. This temple is considered a sacred place for many people, and the park by the lake is her favorite place to relax.